Hi everyone! Welcome back to Utopia Flower Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy Japanese floral arrangement for celebration purposes. Our materials today are Madeira vine, Celosia, and Gladiolus. Before we start, we need to build a vertical fixture first. This method is especially useful for vases with delicate inner walls. First, choose a strong and straight branch. Cut it until it's a bit shorter than the height of the vase. Make sure to remove all the twigs. Cut one of the ends flat and cut a split on the other end. Now, pick a Madeira vine and cut it to a desired length. Cut a split on its end. Hold the ends of both splits and try to interlock the Madeira vine and the fixture just like this. Then put them back into the vase. The end of the fixture should firmly adhere to the bottom of the vase, and the split end of Madeira vine should be fixed to the inner wall. You can always trim the Madeira vine to create a shape of your desire. This is when you can play around and be creative by adding different colors and layers. Now we're going to add the Celosia. I personally really like these Celosia as they're very eye-catching. The color and the shape definitely add some fun to the arrangement. Their stems are usually quite thick, so keep adjusting while you're inserting them. Remember to show their best side towards the audience. Next, we're going to add some Gladiolus. These mini Gladiolus are delicate, so be very gentle when you're holding it. And there you have it, a very festive centerpiece perfect for celebrations. If you're interested in more videos and photos of my work, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram and Facebook at Utopia Floral Design. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!